My name is Linda. Today I'll be sharing with you a special Vietnam cuisine. Delightfully fresh and fragrant. Vietnamese cuisine combines the influence of China with many of the aromatic herbs and seasonings of neighboring Southeast Asian countries. Vietnamese food tends to be lightly seasoned, and spicy chilies are more likely to appear in dipping sauces rather than in the main dish itself. Let's see what our ingredients I have prepared for you. Let us start preparing the ingredients list. 2 lemongrass stems, trimmed and thinly sliced, 2 cups 500 milliliters chicken stock or water, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, 1 egg, beaten, cup 90 g corn flour, 600 g chicken thigh fillets, halved and trimmed, cup 60 milliliters vegetable oil. There will be more uses for traditional ingredients to share later. After we get the ingredients list ready, we can start cooking now. Number 1. Place the lemongrass in a large saucepan. Add the chicken stock, fish sauce, pepper, sugar, and garlic. Bring to the boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. Number 2. Place the egg in one bowl and corn flour in another. Coat the chicken lightly with corn flour. Shake off any excess. Dip into the egg to coat lightly and evenly. Dip into the corn flour a second time, again coating lightly. Number 3. Heat vegetable oil in a wok or frying pan until medium hot. Place the chicken pieces in the oil. Fry for about 2% minutes until golden brown. Use tongs to turn the chicken once or twice. Lift the chicken from the wok, holding momentarily over the oil to drain. Number 4. Place the chicken into the pan of stock and cover. Simmer the chicken over medium-low heat, turning once, until the chicken is cooked and tender. Did you know? Buddhist monks drink tea made from an infusion of lemongrass prior to meditation. The tea has a calming, contemplative effect which creates the ideal state of relaxation that is needed before one is ready to meditate. There are more traditional uses of ingredients. You can use lemongrass to introduce a subtle lemony fragrance and flavor to many different dishes. Try adding a lemongrass stem to the water when boiling corned beef, making chicken soup, or even cooking rice. Bruise the stem by batting it with a meat mallet or cleaver before adding it to dishes as it releases the flavor. Substitutes. You can use 3 5cm strips of lime or lemon rind to replace the lemongrass in this recipe. Remove the rind from the stock after simmering for only 5 minutes as it can turn bitter if cooked for too long. You can use 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce to replace the fish sauce. Serving suggestions. There are several options for accompaniments to this simple, flavorsome dish. In Vietnam, they would serve plain white rice or rice vermicelli noodles with a salad of cucumber, lettuce, grated carrot, and plenty of mint. However, shoestring fries or mashed potato with a salad or steamed green vegetables such as zucchini or broccoli would also be delicious. Wines and drinks. Serve a dry white wine such as a Sauvignon Blanc or an unwooted Chardonnay with this chicken dish. Did you know? Fish sauce is one of the oldest seasoning ingredients. Traces of this salty sauce have been discovered in earthenware pots in tombs uncovered by archaeologists. In ancient Roman cooking, it was known as garam. Today, it is used widely in Thai and Vietnamese cooking. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com